Good day. A quick thought about this sermon by Paul Washer on YouTube. God creates weakness in our lives. It was about a story. It was a story about how Paul Washer learned to surf when he stayed in Peru, and how they just forgot to tell him about the red flags, and he got into a bit of a dilemma. I got a bit swept away with the current, but he was okay. He just found somebody else that wasn't as okay as he was, a young man. And at first he thought that he would take his board and go closer to this young man and try and help. But then he remembered about the stories, and he realized that he could see on this young man's face that he was terrified, and that if he would go any closer, this guy would drown them both. So Paul said that by the grace of God, some expert surfers came by, and you could see on their faces the fear as well. They knew that they couldn't go too close to this young man, because even though they were fit and strong and maybe much bigger than this young guy, he would still be able to drown all of them. So it took them 20 minutes to an hour to talk him out of the water, to get him out of the water without getting too close. But the lesson behind the story was about how this guy, even though he was so much smaller than all of them or younger, he would be able to drown all of them. It wasn't because of his courage or because of his discipline or because of his strong will. It was because of his fear. He knew that he actually stared death in the face. He knew that he wasn't in control of what was happening, and he couldn't do anything to help himself. He needed somebody else to help him. And somebody actually needed to act on his behalf. I think it's in the same way we can sometimes feel weak, and how this fear can drive us closer to God and drive us to prayer and to live closer to God. And Paul Washer wanted to highlight the fact that sometimes we think that there are these great men of God. They just were born like that. But it's not true, because these people also realized their weakness. They discovered their weakness. They discovered that they won't be able to do anything through themselves, but only through God, and that they needed God. So sometimes God cultivates weakness in our lives, so that we'll turn to Him and we'll pray, and He'll carry us through. He also mentioned a book, Weakness, by J.I. Packer, and apparently they made a movie. And he remembers this older man walking up the stairs, and he went to sit by his typewriter and he wrote, "Weakness. That is why we pray."